All right, guys, we are back at the Tampa show with another video. We are looking at bunk houses, specifically fifth wheels. We are here where Heartland is in one of the general RV Center booths. And we're going to be going in the Milestone 377MB.
Yes.
Heartland Milestone 377MB. Nice looking. It looks long.
It does look long.
Yeah, so it's 12.7 empty.
Not a bad price.
No, not too bad. All right, so there's the Mid Bunk area.
Let's just talk about the Mid Bunk.
We'll start here.
Because this is big.
It is. So it's got a pocket door or just a sliding door off to the side.
And the door is like 4 feet wide or across.
Yeah, that's a huge door. So this is, I'm still standing in the doorway.
Yeah.
So this is right in. I actually like that because if you leave that open and it wasn't covered in Legos, it's a nice like kind of nice open entryway, right? And then the loft up above. So in here, we've got 2 bunks.
And I like this. This one's slightly bigger, so you can hop up here and then climb up.
Oh yeah, it's offset a little bit. Okay, yep.
And this is plenty big for the littles.
This doesn't move. It looked like it moved. So just two little pockets. That's for stuff to get lost in.
Yes.
Well, it's very red from the carpet.
Oh, I was like, what are you doing?
There you go. Letting it adjust. There's red carpet out there. That's why it looks so apocalyptic in here.
Yes.
All right.
But yeah, this is...
There's a door behind you.
There's a door behind me, and then there's this...
More pockets.
Here. What do you think's behind this door? I think I remember
I'm gonna go with
the...
half bath.
Yeah, I think it is the one we were looking at.
Yep, half bath. So a little porcelain foot flush.
Perfect for children.
A little vanity. There's no way number 2s are happening there for an adult.
What?
That is not much room.
Shout out to Matt's RV review. This is fine.
I wouldn't do that one. There we go. I'm just
trying to... It's kind of dark in here.
Why are these lights so dim?
I don't know. Did you show in here?
Something's going on with the power.
This is plenty of room for
a kid.
Kids' toothbrushes.
So this mirror,
hand soap.
The mirror's that mirror could be from there to there, like this.
I would move it down here so the little people could actually see themselves.
Absolutely. You could even tilt it a little bit. Tilt it out from the top.
I don't mind this.
Yep. All right.
And then you didn't show this.
Oh, this is the back side of the door. Backside of water. Oh.
So then, in order for them to watch the TV, they have to shut the door. I'm okay with that. But then there's nice little shelves here, too.
Yeah, it is so dark in here.
It is. There's not a lot of space in here for clothes, though.
There are no cabinets.
No, but
there's no doors or drawers.
So these may be wood colors?
I mean, you could put bins in there, but you'd lose a lot of space.
Yeah. I don't know. You have to be a little creative.
So, interesting bunker. Oh.
Ooh, what? Ooh, it's a peninsula.
It is.
Well, like.
Okay, they have one of these weird, like, it has glass. Oh, it's travel locked. Okay, it's Brian proof. Okay, so glass top, cooktop, so you have counter space here.
It's not a convection.
Not a convection, but big enough space you could put one in.
You could. Proper pantry right next to where you're going to cook. Coffee bar. For those of you needing a coffee bar or a regular bar, if that's your thing.
There's no power plug.
And an itty bitty light.
There's no electricity.
What? Why?
Are there plugs on the front?
Yeah, there's plugs right here.
Plugs there, so you can plug it in there, yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I like this.
Okay, entertainment center, fireplace.
Sorry?
Cabinets. These cabinets could be much deeper, and you could really fit a lot of stuff up in there, because this is kind of...
Dead space.
I mean, some people are going to put art up in these areas. They're going to put campground art, that sort of stuff. But that could definitely, those cabinets could be much larger,
They're
honestly.
so tall, though. Like, I can't reach anything in here.
Oh, no. I mean, regardless of how deep they are, they're going to be really tall.
Yes.
So it was just a thought. You could have them come out, and then you could put lights under them, like reading lights underneath.
Yeah, you could still kind of put directional lights there. But
yeah.
There's end tables on either side with plugs.
Okay, and then normal seats, normal table with 4 chairs. You strap those down to the floor when you're underway. Nice big. These are tall. Another tall slide.
Not as tall, but tall.
I'm 6 feet tall, so these are 6.5, 6'4" maybe. Oh, this is. I guess it's just a big thing. And then there's a bunch of empty space up there that could have been, again, more storage.
Yeah.
I'm always, whenever I'm walking through these things, I'm always looking to be like, where did they miss out on storage? Because yeah, I don't want cabinets and doors and stuff everywhere, but there are some obvious places that you could definitely get more storage in.
Did you show the loft access here?
Not yet.
Okay.
And as a full-timer, you need storage. All right, so this loft is 300 pounds max capacity.
I can get on it.
Yeah.
So this one doesn't have the thing
I don't know if
the
the ladder would be 300 pounds though.
I don't weigh 300 pounds.
I'm just saying. It might be a mismatch.
Thank you very much. Oh, this is... Maybe this isn't the one I get
I wouldn't
into.
go up there.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Nope. I like the
not
ones that are
very deep.
stairs.
It's not very tall.
That's a huge window. That's a huge window.
Yeah.
All right, so the loft comes in here.
The loft space is enormous because it comes
And then-
all the way down there.
Yeah. But you're not looking out over the kitchen. You're just looking out over the entryway.
Well, and I kind of like that too because if we're out there watching TV,
It's
there's
a
at
little
least
blocked.
a wall.
Yeah. And you could probably put a curtain up here. So you could
have a
close it
little
off if
privacy.
you wanted to, yeah.
But not a space where she's getting changed.
Okay. Balance, just bump into the balance, thank you. All right, so bathroom there.
Does it connect?
It does not, so let's
Okay.
do the bathroom first.
Alrighty.
I don't like this.
No.
The like fake iron straps.
Not your jam.
Also, this one's wrong. This is not the hinge side. Come on, guys. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Oh, it's bright.
It's a bright bathroom.
That's a tiny shower.
It's kind of like what we have now.
And then we got, nice little, it is very, very
It's
bright.
very bright. I like how bright it is.
Yeah, okay.
Good job on the white.
Back up again.
Beep, beep, beep.
And we go into the bedroom with the, again, weird looking straps on the doors. Oh, so this is very standard. This feels like the 312, except it has a little slide here. I'm assuming washer dryer. Yep, washer dryer prep in here.
Nice.
Little overhead spot here. And then, yep, just cabinets and drawers. Cabinets.
Nice. Look how big
Cabinets and drawers.
Look how big the nightstand is on your side.
Yeah, nice and huge. Huge nightstand. I do like that. I do appreciate a big nightstand.
And a plug.
Yeah, there's plugs right there. I don't see any. Ooh, that's flimsy.
No USB.
That's okay. There's little, I don't know what to call those.
Yeah, I was going to say little lights. That's what was in the kitchen.
Yeah.
But just
And then-
one window in here.
No struts. Come on. No struts.
No struts.
No
Whoa.
struts. I mean, that's what's going to happen though. It's going to slip out of your hand and it's going to smack closed and break.
I do
TV
like
backer
this,
here.
though.
If you put a TV here, you'd be bumping into it though. There's not a lot of floor space. But this is interesting.
I like.
I'm not liking it as much as the ones we looked at in the last video.
No, I like the bunkhouse in this one now.
Yeah.
With the half bath.
Even though the close the door to watch TV thing seems like a cool idea in theory,
They won't
I
want
think
the
in
door shut.
practice they would not want the door shut,
No,
which
'cause it would be
means
scary.
they can't see the TV.
Which means
So-
they're watching TV with us.
Yep. Alrighty, moving on.
Okay.
Okay, we got another milestone. This is a 370 FLMB.
This is different
This
because
is.
the bedroom's in the back.
So it's front living mid bunk. Look at that. Huh,
That's
okay.
new.
So the mid bunk is again right here inside the door, like the last one. This is all of the floor in the mid bunk though. So you've got
Okay.
bunks kind of going behind this cabinet. How big is that cabinet? Oh, that's where the washer dryer is. Okay.
Lull the children to sleep.
Yeah, right. Just rock them to bed.
Yep.
Okay. So you've got a
I
nice,
don't mind this though.
a big barn door with the weird fake straps on it again.
It is, but it's
Okay, so let's go this way first. So the hallway to the rear, huge window, and a door.
to a bathroom.
That's a full bath.
Okay.
Okay, it's very bright, ridiculously tall ceilings for a bathroom. Because normally these bathrooms are up front above the stairs, so you don't have all that ceiling space up there. Okay, so this is the master bedroom door. It's so weird. Okay.
Go inside. I want to see.
Yeah, I mean, it's a king. It's big.
Oh, well, it feels big because the
Huge.
ceiling's so high.
Yeah, again, you could have
an enormous TV.
You could have, well, you could have a biggish TV in here, but you could have cabinets.
You could have.
Even shallow ones like that, it's still going to be more. So all you have here is these cabinets up the side.
Deep.
Yeah. Well, so it's the other side of the washer dryer cabinet, right? Oh, the bathroom.
The bathroom's in here.
Oh, that's behind the shower then.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these aren't very deep because they can only go to here.
Yeah.
But they're little.
Okay.
It's like an underwear drawer.
Right. Right.
So and then the bed comes underneath this, over where you are.
Yeah. Good size cabinets are here. Big deep cabinets here.
There's a lot of storage in this rig already.
Big cabinet up there.
Because in the kids' room, there was already all that storage, like where the washer dryer is. Like that's deep storage in there. And then to have all these
it's like drawers. Basically this is a chest of drawers.
Yeah.
So 4 drawers there. Yeah.
No place for your CPAP.
Nope.
But you could maybe do
could put a shelf up
there.
high. Yeah.
And put it up there.
Okay, so we're in the rear, so let's work our way forward.
I am kind of, let me see the bathroom. I didn't see that. Oh, I like that.
It's very open, so that full profile. Yeah. That one light, that light right there, he's not in line with the rest of them. From this perspective, there's one light sticking to the left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that would drive me nuts.
Don't look at it.
I can't not look at it. I'm staring at it right now.
So there is a loft.
Oh, yes. You climb up the pantry door. Okay, so they have a big piano hinge on the pantry door. Mm-hmm. And then the ladder pops out. And then the loft.
It's pretty big.
Yeah. Huh, okay. And pantry.
It's a good pantry, not too deep.
Yeah, it's not super deep where it swallows all your stuff. Okay. Oh, so here's your controls.
Nice.
So there's your little coffee bar. And an island. It's completely open with cabinets on the bottom.
So this has that fancy fridge again?
Okay, can I open it? I can open that one. So I guess that's the drink side?
Is that like for wine? Like is that not as cold as everything else? I don't know how it works.
It is a 12-volt fridge though.
Okay. Yeah, it's Furion. Not a convection, but again, you have the space to put one in.
Plenty of room to put one, yeah.
So that part is on a slide.
Oh, there's a little wireless charger pad right here.
Nice. Dinette slide.
Cabinet. Yeah, so it's just dinette and that slide.
So I have never seen a mid bunk or any bunk that has this front living.
Yeah.
And I really
so you have look at the size of this room.
I really like this.
It's ginormous.
No couch in here is big enough to lay on.
Just 3 little steps.
But
no, yeah, so those slides aren't really deep or really long.
But everybody could
3
sit
couches.
in here and watch TV.
I'm assuming
space on the floor.
I'm assuming this one pulls out. So if you had someone visiting, you have room for them to sleep, or if the kids just want to sleep out here and do like a slumber party or something. 50-inch TV, fireplace.
Assuming all of these flip out.
They could. But they have the dark shades too. These valances, not necessary, not offensive though.
Not offensive.
They're very kind of chintzy. They're just kind of wrapped leather on, yeah. Not too bad.
They don't bother me as much as some.
Yep, and then
we have a 50-inch TV.
Plenty of storage here. And then more over here.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage in this.
And I'm not sure. I don't know if the TV comes out.
Or tips up.
Can't really tell. Not sure. Might be storage back there.
Fireplace that you could then have ambiance or heat.
And then more storage on the sides.
I don't mind this.
This is not bad.
I don't mind this. We can put this on the list of things to look at.
Okay, it's on the list. Yeah, I mean we have always liked the front living layout, but you don't really get mid bunks with front living. The front living kind of eats up the entire rig. It's always a retired couple rig.
Yeah. Have you seen any rigs like this that has all the sleeping in the back? Let me know if you know of any other rigs that are like that.
Yeah, with bunks.
I'm interested. With bunks.
That's the key.
With bunks.
Yep.
All the sleeping, like for the entire family.
Yeah.
Is in the back.
All right. Okay, we're back on Saturday with the kids.
Yep.
So a little bit of a time jump here.
Yeah.
And the kids are up there now. So we wanted to see how much space there was. Yep, Brookie's poking her head out. So how much space is there?
There's a lot of space, but not a lot of head space.
Okay, so you're not sitting up.
No.
Right, there's no way you can sit up. Could Brookie even sit up there?
Ben, can you sit up here?
Brooke is sitting up there.
Not with the mattress.
Ben, can you sit on your bottom?
No.
No? Okay, so it's a little tight up there. What do you think, though? Eh?
Okay.
Thanks for going up there. All right, so those are 2 mid bunks from Heartland. Interesting. That second one was really, really interesting.
Seen anything like that.
Never seen front living with a mid bunk before.
I like it.
Yeah,
Make
I like
more
that.
of those.
Make more of those. I like that layout because we've always liked front living. But we never bother looking at them because they don't have bunks.
Yep.
That one does. Pretty cool.
I like it.
Pretty cool. All right, stay tuned. There's much more coming from the Tampa show.